Vive le français! Bonjour chers amis, j'espère que vous allez bien. Today I want to tell you about the salary, the income. Something that you need to know in France is salaire brut et salaire net. So at the end of the month, you will be working in the company, then you receive your salary, and you will see on the top it's salaire brut. And on the bottom, it's salaire net. And in between, there will be all the taxes. And in France, we have huge taxes because we pay. We pay for the retirement pension, we pay for la retraite, we pay for la sécurité sociale, which is in case you are sick, you can go to the hospital and it will be a refund. You pay for l'assurance chômage, in case you are unemployed, you will be able to receive money. And we pay for other people, we pay for the solidarity. So there's many taxes that you have to pay. So you have to be very careful when you're looking for a job. Make sure that you're looking at salaire net, because salaire net is really the money, the income that you will get in for you at the end. You know, salaire brut means nothing. Of course, many companies, they will always show you salaire brut. They will say, you get paid 2,000 euro. Wow, 2,000 euro. In fact, if you get paid 2,000 euro in salaire brut, it means you only get 1,500 salaire net. So there is a huge gap. There is a huge gap, you know. So you need to take care about this. I will show you one day la fiche de paye. I will show you la fiche de paye, and you will see all the taxes, and I will try to explain to you. One thing about the income, on average, French people earn 2,000 euro a month, 2,000 euro, 2,000 euro net. So after all the taxes, after everything, they earn on average 2,000 euro. But on average, all over France, and the cost of life is really not the same. It's really not the same. So it means if you are in Paris and you're making 2,000 euro, it's not much because you have many costs of life. You have to pay for the rent. You have to pay for the rent of the apartment. You have to pay for the food. You have to pay for the clothes. You have to pay for the transportation. If you're making 2,000 euro, maybe at the end of the month, you pay for your rent 700 or maybe 800, 700. Then you have to pay for transportation. It's another 200 a month. And then you have to pay for the food. If you want to eat well and take care of your health, and okay, you will pay 200, 300. At the end of the month, and maybe you go out a few times at the end of the month, you go to the restaurant, you go this, maybe you only be able to save 300, 400, 300 a month. So you cannot save a lot at the end. So you really have to consider this. Someone who lives in the countryside, the salary will be lower, but he will not have so many costs. Also, when they say that it's the average salary, average income, some people in France can really get 5,000 a month. And then many people, the majority of people, they get less than 2,000. I think the majority of people in France, they make 1,700, 1,800, 1,700, you know, that's the thing. Also for the woman don't always get less salary, get paid less as compared to the men for the same job. Why is that? Because the employers, they will always think in their head, oh, she's a woman. If I recruit her, are you married? Do you have children? They will always think, oh, if she has kids, she will leave. And I have to pay for her. Even she doesn't come to work, I will have to pay part of it. Part of her salary will be paid by me for maybe 16 weeks. She will get the kids, she will stay at home for 16 weeks or for 20 weeks, and I have to pay for everything. So I'm not going to recruit her, or I'm going to recruit her, but I will pay her less. Or also, she's a woman, so she's not going to stay in the office so many hours, because she wants to go home to take care of the kids or everything. So at 5 o'clock, she's not going to do any extra hours. So maybe I should pay her less. So on average, the women are really paid less than the men, even for the same job, which is really unfair. Okay, that's it. Hein. Let me leave you for now. Bon, à bientôt les amis. Merci. Au revoir.